Dale told me I could speak until all you fell asleep, but 5 minutes she didn't say that. Anyway, I literally asked. My name is Craig Brand. I'm General Counsel for Folium Biosciences in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I asked to be the first speaker. That way, when I sat down, I was literally the best speaker. So I got moved all the way to the back where everything I wanted to talk about is pretty much gone now. So I would like to start off first by thanking the FDA for this day, thanking the stakeholders for this day, thanking all who are listening on Wi-Fi for being present with us, thanking all that are in the room with us. Thank you for sharing your birthdays. Thank you for sharing Beer 30. Thank you for all the time that everybody has given to these issues. Now, given the fact that almost everything I did want to say has already been said, or I should just butt my lips, let me repeat what I did hear. I did hear that what we're here today to discuss is about a product that is a pharmaceutical product, or a dietary supplement, or a food ingredient, or even a dispensary product. Yes, it is. I did hear that we were talking about issues of adulteration, of diversion, of mislabeling, of improper product manufacturing. Yes, we did. I did hear us talk about safety, conformity, standards, and protocols. Yeah, we did that too. I heard people mentioning about the farming business, the genetic business, the harvesting, the extraction, the production, the fulfillment, and even pharmaceutical interest. Yeah, we did that as well. I heard people talk about competition, global intervention. There's even, if you look just across the pond, a new category for CBD called novel foods that maybe the FDA needs to direct some attention to. But yes, we did. So we have an industry. We have an American-made industry. Now let's do everything we can that we keep this American-made industry, that we don't let this American-made industry go bye-bye to the world as we know it. Let's look to work in harmony, bring all of what I just discussed, whether it's a pharmaceutical product, a dietary supplement, a feed ingredient, or dispensary product. Let's figure out a way to make it work, and let's come up with solutions. So Folium Biosciences is located in part in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm going to give a shout out to all the other Colorado companies that came up here today and talked before me because one, they deserve the shout out, and two, I love my state. But all of us here are here for a single purpose. There were people that came up, and I heard a lot of bad mouthing about CBD. I heard bad mouthing about THC. Guys, it's an industry, it's a business. We're all here to make it better. We're not here because we want to do things wrong. We're in this room, we're listening over the Wi-Fi, we're listening over TV, whatever it is, because we're trying to get it right. With you or without you, we're moving forward, and we're doing a really, really good job. So I ask you, how many of you sitting on a panel have even ever tried CBD? You don't have to say anything. I ask you the following. How many of you sitting on the panel have even come out to one of Colorado's best or any other state's best and even seen how the industry actually works? It should be first base or home plate. And I invite you, and I'm sure my Colorado brethren would probably have no objection as well, to come out and see us, see what it is we do. Folium Biosciences is one of the largest seed-to-sale facilities in the entire world, with facilities going around the world, with our product going around the world. So it's first base for you. It's the way that you get your answers to your questions. So I know that my time is almost up, but let me say the following. All that we talked about today, from the labeling issues, from the diversion issues, from the adulteration issues, does it go on? Yes, it does. But let's not kid ourselves. It goes on in every single business. For those who know me also know that I was Healthcare Attorney of the Year. I'm the senior partner of one of the largest healthcare law firms in the country. I also was CEO of a very large pharmaceutical chain. So there's a lot about the history of this building, of what is done here that I have firsthand knowledge about. So what happened, all you have to do is look just a few years back. Look to the illegal drug diversion industry and look how the states got smart and created all the solutions to counter that, to prevent that, and to move forward, going forward in the future. And all of what we saw here today, from the labeling issues, from the people making improper products, to people improper fulfilling, all of that has been answered. All we have to do is look to the states and look to the laws that they've written. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That concludes the end of our public comment and formal presentation. I want to remind everyone that the docket is still open. It remains open until July 2nd. Please submit comments to the docket. Thank you to everyone who joined us in person today and on webcast, and this concludes our public hearing. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here.